Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert watermark only on the second page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert watermark only on the second page. Go to the second page. Then click right button on our mouse and select the insert section. Then go to the next page and applying the same process. Then go back the second page. Then go to the view menu and select master pages option. Then go to the insert menu and select the draw text box option and draw a text box. Then write our watermark text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size and applying the bold effect. You can change the color, select this color option and now I change this color. Then rotate this watermark text box and go back the master pages menu, click close master page. Then go to the first page and click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages section, select none. Then go to the last section and press shift on our keyboard. Then click right button on our mouse. Then go to the master pages menu, click none. Then we check all page and we can see we insert watermark only on second page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.